Want to design a delicious ice cream poster in just a few minutes? Let's start. Open Canva. Select poster size. Go to Elements. Add square shape. Resize it to half and change the color. Change the shape color pink. Add ice cream PNG. Place it in the center, and change the color. Add text. Type delicious ice cream. Add text vanilla and strawberry. Select font Archivo black. Change the text color. And add shadow. Adjust layers. Add strawberry elements in the background. Adjust layers. Blur the elements. Adjust layers. If you like this, don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching.